ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ 2 ആഴ്ചയായി വീഡിയോ ചെയ്തിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ മുമ്പിട്ട് അനസ്തേഷ്യയുടെ ബാക്കിയാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 45th ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ദ ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെൻറ്റ് ഷോൺ ഇൻ ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, ട്രക്കിയോസ്റ്റോമി ട്യൂബ്. 46, ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ദ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ലാരിഞ്ചോസ്കോപ്പ് ഷോൺ ഇൻ ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫ്. 46, Miller. 47, identify the instrument shown in photograph. Endoscope. 48, identify the instrument shown in photograph. 48, Guadal airway. 49, stage of excitement occur during shown in photograph. 49, stage 2 Guadal states of anesthesia. Option B. 50, maximum depression of activity shown in photograph is done by. Option C, enflurane. 51, agent of choice for patient as shown in photograph. Option D, halothane. 52, agent of choice for patients of system shown in photograph. Option A, isoflurane. 53, direct damage to organ shown in photograph is maximum done by. Option C, halothane. 54, anemia in peripheral smear photograph is mainly done due to. Option A, nitrous oxide. Anesthetic agent shown in photograph. Option B, nitrous oxide. Anesthetic agent shown in photograph comprise. Option D, 50% oxygen plus 50% nitrous oxide. Barbiturate anesthetic shown in photograph contains. Option C, sulfur. Anesthetic agent shown in photograph is associated with the deficiency of vitamin C. Anesthetic agent shown in photograph is associated with the. Option A, dissociative anesthesia. Sensitization of organ shown in photograph is maximum done by. Option D, halothane. Agent shown in the photograph is type of opioid antagonist. Non-depolarizing agent of choice for intubation. Option C, rocuronium. True about muscle relaxation shown in photograph is cause malignant hypothermia. Non-depolarizing muscle relaxant contraindicated in person shown is. Option D, galamine. Composition of cream shown in photograph. Option A, 2.5% lignocaine plus 2.5% prilocaine. Concentration of local anesthetic agent used for Byers block is. Option A, 0.5%. Identify the type of nerve block shown in the photograph. Option B, stellate ganglion block. Identify the type of block shown in the photograph. Option C, Byers block. Block 1 is known as. Option C, epidural block. Success of block 1 is assessed by. Option A, Westphal sign. Most important factor affecting spread of block 1 is. Option C, volume of lungs. Most common complications seen after block 2 is. Option B, hypotension. Identify the type of burst shown in photograph. Option B, EEG. Identify the mode of ventilation shown in photograph. Option C, ventilation with PEEP. Identify the type of burst shown in photograph. Option A, ECG. Identify the mode of ventilation shown in photograph. Option C, synchronized intermittent mandatory. Identify the type of burst shown in photograph. Option C, JVP. Identify the mode of ventilation shown in photograph. Option B, assist controlled mode. Identify the mode of ventilation shown in photograph. Pressure support. Identify the mode of ventilation shown in photograph. Option A, controlled mode. Identify the procedure performed on a patient as shown in photograph. Option B, tracheostomy. Identify the procedure performed on a patient as shown in photograph. Option A, cricothyroidotomy. Identify the type of breathing or ventilation shown in photograph. Option A, mouth-to-mouth ventilation. CPR method shown in photograph is used for. Option C, circulation. Use of instrument shown in photograph. Option D, all of the above. CPR method shown in photograph. Option B, 2-finger cardiac compression. CPR method shown in photograph. Option C, 2-thumb cardiac compression. Positioning for endotracheal intubation as shown in photograph. Option B, extension at atlanto-occipital and flexion at cervicothoracic junction.